Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about how to analyze trend using Heikin-Ashi pivot points for directional bias. Heikin-Ashi formula is the method used to calculate each candlestick of the chart. Some of the formulas or calculations are more complicated than those used for a standard candlestick. Here's a simplified version that I have used to calculate the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks like open, high, low and close for analyzing the trend using Heikin-Ashi pivots for directional bias. Now let's move forward to work with an example. We use daily open, high, low and closing price for Reliance Industries from 1st Jan 2020 to 31st December 2020. Now in the Excel sheet, in column B, C, D, E, we have the OHLC values. Now we will first calculate the Heikin-Ashi bar prices. To calculate the Heikin-Ashi open values, we just do the open of previous price plus close of previous price and we just divide these values by 2. Next, drag and drop the formula to fill the cells. Next, move forward to column G where we need to calculate high values. We will do here the maximum value from the open, high or close of the current period. Now we have the formula here. We just drop and drag the formula to fill the cell. Next, in column H, we need to calculate low value. We just need to do the minimum values from the low, open or closing of the current period. Now we have got the value here and we just drag and drop the formula. Next, move to the column I where we need to calculate the closing price. We will do just the summation of open, high, low and close of the current price and divide it by 4. Now similarly, drag and drop down the formula. Now in column K, we need to calculate the Heikin-Ashi pivot points. We need to take the summation of Heikin-Ashi high, low and closing price and then divide it by 3. We have got the value here. Similarly, we drag and drop down the values. Now in cell K20, we have the formula average function where from cell E4 to E13 which contains the first 7-day pivot prices. Now by selecting at the corner of the K20 cell and just dragging and dropping down, which will give the moving average for the remaining periods. Now let's move forward to calculate the 21-day simple moving average of pivot prices. So similarly, we will use the average function. In cell I35, we have the formula where J15 to J35 which contains the first 21 days pivot prices. Now in similar manner, we will drag and drop down the values to give the moving average for the remaining cells. Now last and final is the trend indicator where the crossover of Heikin-Ashi pivot where we need to define the stock price sentiment that whether it is upward or downward. So to define that, we have mentioned that if the 7 days moving average is greater than 21 days moving average, the sentiment will be upward, and if the 21 days moving average is greater than 7 days moving average, then the sentiment will be downward. In this way, we have created the trend analyzer using Heikin-Ashi pivot. Though I have calculated the values on historical data, but you can try this sheet for your own analysis on live market. Thank you.